Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna. So I'm going to do this unboxing for you, but I just recently found out that Felicity Jane no longer does these. I think you can still get products like printables, but you can't actually get physical papers. Now I got this probably a year ago or more, and I moved, and then life happened, and then I moved my bedroom to the craft room, the craft room to the bedroom, but here we are. So this is a silk ribbon, very cute. Now this is very cute, and I don't know if you guys do videos, or not videos, but Happy Mail, but you can fold this up probably like four times and get you a piece of like even printer paper, copy paper, and use your punches, whatever shapes, and you can make like the little confettis that goes in the box. It makes everything cute. I've done that. Oh, well, this is cute. So this was August 19th through the 22nd. It was a birthday sale to 80% off. And again, they are no longer doing these, but this is very cute trim. I like that a lot. I like this girl, that's cute. All right, let's get into it. Ooh, okay, so here's some shakers, Collie shaker shapes. I don't know how people are using these. I'd be interested to know. Oh, they're like little, oh, you could put these on tassels, your little charm thing. That's cute. I wonder if you could do, I've got this same, so this plastic right here, like this, if you ever got sheet set or anything like that, that came in one of those plastic bags, that's what this is. And if you have a heat tool where you can close, like, I don't know, I have this heating tool, and I could probably create one of these. I'll show, we'll look at it one day, just probably not today. Right, but there's two pieces I got in that, and that's super cute. 28 pieces in this. Let's do this. These are just die cut shapes. 20, 22. So I guess the theme is definitely like the birthday party. These are cute. 8. Number 8. You can use these on cards. You can make bookmarks out of these. These are really super cute. Tabs. Party hat. I'm not really sure I like the colors too much, but as I'm saying this, I'm liking that. I like those little rainbows. So you can see, like, in all honesty, and everybody does it, these, like, these are randoms. I don't, you know, it's a 28 piece of a few of the good things, and then the randoms, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at my first look, the die cuts are cute. I wouldn't buy the pack of die cuts because it's not my type of crafting, but it's cute. And everything coordinates. So if you get like a monthly subscription to any of the crafting box, most of it, and if it's papers, it's gonna all be coordinating. Most of the time you get like a sticker sheet. You might get some alphabets, some gems, stickers, you know, that you can put on things. On the back here, it shows you everything that you can get. Okay, let's see. Okay, now this is nice. These are puffy alphabet stickers. Okay, so the beads are upside down, C, D, E. Cool. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 B's, 4 C's, 4 D's, E's. So they're just, yeah. You get at least 4, it looks like, of each, except for this K. You only get 3 K's. Two Z's, 3 X's, 3 Y's, 2 V's as in Victor. Just 2 Q's. Some of these you can't tell what they are, but they're cute. Oh, these are some stamps. So journaling, this would be cute. Journaling, currently, learning, love, dreaming, create, dreading, working on, listening to, watching, eating, my story. This is cute. I'll probably use definitely this rainbow. Seems like 20 different stamps. Here are some little tiny plastic flowers. Different colors, like some leaves, like confetti. That's what they are. You could put those in a shaker card. Create a shaker card with those. There's quite a bit of those in here. That's cute. Some felt daisies. So this will probably be cute for journals. That's what I think. I'll probably make some journals to sell. So the flowers, those are cute. It's little leaves. $21 pieces. So there's 21 pieces. And that includes the leaves. Oh, cute. These are, it's a 10 piece of numbers, balloon numbers. I'll take one out and show you. I'll take them all out. This is the number 9. Oh, this is cute. You put like a little, if you were, you could do a card. Like I said, I'm going to do a journal. At least 1, maybe 2. Okay. Project cards. Inside is a Project Life. Looks like it was just a paper, double-sided paper. It was cut down. Chapter 8, Happy You Day. Very cute. I'll just look at to see while it's coordinating. It's not the same. And on the back here, those are kind of cool. It's got grids. Okay, 6x8 paper pack. Those look a little bit different than the 12x12. How many's in here? Let us see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 pages, double-sided. That's one side. I'm liking this. So that noise you keep hearing is my doorbell because there's a maintenance guy trying to fix somebody else's condensation drainage issue that they're having. cute. Then the double-sided papers here. This is nice. I don't know what that's for. Floral and gingham, stars, and then hearts, spots, and then confetti. Very cute. This will be, if you did cards, you could do these for cards. If you have an art journal, I could definitely, I like those. I could definitely see someone using these for art journaling. And washi tape, and this is gold washi tape. So that's what we got. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I think it was probably like $50. Honestly, if they were still a bit, I probably wouldn't buy this again, but you never know what you get, you know. You can try things. I mean, I've tried other subscription boxes. I usually just get like one, see if I like it. Or like if I'm trying to build my stash up. Very cute. I'll do subscription boxes. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think I should make with this. Give me a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.